Hello students, I hope everyone are fine. Okay, let us see. This is the second PU computer science. In first unit, we have a first lesson, that is typical configuration of computer system. Okay, just I'm giving the introduction. Today I'm giving introduction and what is hardware, software, data, user, and also a block diagram of computer system. Okay, let us see. What is first in introduction? We have what is computer. You all know the definition of computer. You have seen in also you have learned in first view, right? What is computer? Computer is a electronic device which is used to perform a specific task. Okay, and also a computer is derived from a Latin word compute. Compute means it is for calculation. Okay, this is the definition of computer. Okay, next if you want means next is what is hardware. Let us see what is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is a physical component or a physical part of a computer which we can touch and feel, so it is called as hardware. So examples for a hardware is printer, keyboard, monitor, mouse, anything, the parts which we can touch, so it is called as hardware parts, right? What is software? Software is a set of instruction given to the computer. What are the instruction you are giving to the computer is called as software. And also in software we have two types of software, that is system software and application software. What is system software? Again we have a system, for example operating system is a system software, and the application software we have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These are the apps what we are using. So in software we have two types, that is application software and system software. Okay, this is this is about software. What is the data? Data is nothing but the data is a raw information. A raw information which is sent to the computer is called as a data. Then what is information? Information means after the what we send to the computer, after we'll get the result, no, the resultant information, data, is called as a information. Okay, and who is the user? User is nothing but we are the user. Who is using the computer is known as user. Okay, this is, and we have the block diagram of computers. Okay, in that let us see what is the block diagram. This is the diagram, see, block diagram of computer. So first we have in block diagram input unit, next we have a memory unit, last we have a output unit, right? So what is input? A set of information which we send to the computer is called as input unit, input. So what is input device then? The device which is used to send the information is called as input devices. What are the given examples for the input unit? Means it is a keyboard and mouse, scanner, joystick. These are the good examples for a input unit. By this we can send the information to the computer. So next we have a memory unit. Memory unit is nothing but a CPU, central processing unit. In memory CPU we have a control unit and arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Control unit, it is used to control the devices, other devices, and arithmetic logic device is used to perform arithmetic and logic operation. What are the arithmetic operation? The arithmetic operation, it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or the device division. And we have a logic logic operations like AND gate or NOT. Okay, this year you are going to discuss about the logic unit in details, like we have a AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate or NOR gate. Okay, and this is the what CPU, structure of a CPU. And we have a register. Register is also a high speed temporary storage. Okay, And in this memory we have again two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, primary memory and secondary memory. In primary memory we have RAM and ROM. In RAM we have random access memory, read only memory. Okay, and in secondary devices we have like we can give the example of CD, pen drive and all. Okay, this is the two types of memory. Last we have a output unit. Output unit is nothing but it is used for displaying of the information. For the display of the information we use the output unit. The good example is our monitor. Monitor is a good example for output device. And and printer is also a output unit. These are the just introduction to the computer. You have already learned in first PU also. Just I am giving the introduction. And you want to know, you have to know what is the bus. Okay, the definition of bus. A bus is a collection of wire that carries electric signal from one component to another component. So this is about just what is input unit, what is a memory unit, and output unit. Okay, in input unit you can give example for, you can give example keyboard. Okay, output it is a monitor. And in memory again we will come in next class we can see about a motherboard, fully details about motherboard. Thank you students.